I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Linux on your Chromebook, open Settings and turn on Linux Beta. Make sure you have at least 10 GB free and the device plugged into power, because installations can be large. Once done, update Chrome OS to the latest stable build. This reduces driver and compatibility issues. If your Chromebook needs developer features for GPU pass-through, enable them cautiously. Note why. Some steps require extra permissions and rebooting to expose advanced options. You now install the gaming stack inside the Linux container. Open Terminal and run apt update and apt upgrade, then install Steam or Lutris plus Vulkan and Mesa drivers, because Vulkan provides modern GPU support. Once packages finish, log into Steam and opt into Proton for Windows games. If your Chromebook supports GPU acceleration or pass-through, enable it and restart the container so Vulkan binds to your GPU. Make sure to check driver versions to avoid runtime mismatches that break performance. You finish by installing or verifying game files, then launching a title to test performance. Expect to tweak settings. Lower resolution or enable performance modes to improve frame rate, and use Proton Experimental if a game fails. If a game crashes, inspect dmesc, container logs, and Steam logs in your home folder to find library or driver errors. One key troubleshooting tip. Restart the Linux container and rebind GPU after driver updates. This clears stale drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.